Ever pondered how that sleek smartphone or the powerful computer you use daily operates? At the heart of these technological marvels, there are transistors, the unsung heroes of the digital age. Transistors, in essence, are the building blocks of modern electronic devices. Think of them as tiny switches that control the flow of electricity. But how do they do it? Well, it's a fascinating process, and to comprehend it, you need to understand the three main parts of a transistor: the emitter, the base, and the collector. The emitter, true to its name, emits electrons or holes depending on the type of transistor. These particles then move to the base, which is very thin and lightly doped, meaning it doesn't have many free electrons or holes. As a result, most of these particles pass through the base without recombining. Now the collector comes into play. It is heavily doped, meaning it has a lot of free electrons or holes. This makes it a perfect place for the particles coming from the emitter to settle. When a voltage is applied to the base, it controls the number of particles that can pass through to the collector. This is how a transistor amplifies a signal or acts as a switch. Now, imagine billions of these transistors working together in harmony within a single chip. It's mind-boggling, isn't it? But that's exactly what's happening inside your gadgets every second. In summary, a transistor works in three steps. First, the emitter emits electrons or holes. These particles then pass through the thin, lightly doped base. Finally, they settle in the heavily doped collector. The voltage applied to the base controls the number of particles that can pass through, thereby amplifying a signal or acting as a switch. So, the next time you use your smartphone or computer, remember the tiny transistors working tirelessly behind the scenes. They might be tiny, but their impact on our world and everyday lives is enormous. Indeed, without transistors, the digital age as we know it would be nothing more than a dream.